Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be doing a Pride makeup look because today is June 1st. It is the first day of Pride Month. Happy Pride Month to you all. So today I wanted to do something a little bit different because I feel like Pride looks are pretty played out, right? Like we've seen all the different rainbow looks we can. So I want to do something more just kind of like festival inspired and just something bright and happy and glittery and fun, just to kind of, I don't know, show the spirit of Pride, but not necessarily like a rainbow eye. I want to do a couple of these and they're going to be different color monochromatic Pride looks. So today I want to do pink because pink is just like so Pride to me. Okay, hush. There's a street, like the street that my apartment complex is on, I swear to God it is used for racing exclusively by douchebags with Subarus. I don't know why, but it is. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna do just like a fun Pride look. Also, I have dry shampoo in my hair. Don't at me. That's it. So let's just go ahead and get started. Petition for me to get a new chair. Okay, I think we're gonna start with foundation, I think, yeah. So I'm going to be using the Colourpop Pretty Fresh foundation. Why is this so hard for me to say? Because this is just super dewy and delicious. That's what I almost said. Super dewy and beautiful, and it just evens out my skin so well. If you have oily skin, this is not one that I would recommend. Like, if you're actually going to a Pride event, I would not recommend wearing this if you have oily skin because it is pretty dewy, but oh my God, it looks so pretty. Okay, I'm about to tell a gross pimple story, so like if you don't want to listen to it, just like skip ahead a little bit. This guy was a big under the skin guy, right, that I have had for like a week and a half, and it finally popped today, and it literally, like, I heard it pop and it shot onto my mirror. It's so satisfying. I fucking love when that shit happens. Who else is gross like me and loves when that shit happens? I am going to put a little bit of peach color corrector on this because it is so, like, cool toned. Like, it's so almost like bruisey. It literally, like, that happened and I literally was like, oh my God. It was the most intense pimple pop I have had in like years. It was insane. Okay, then I'm gonna use the Covergirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. This is in the shade Golden Ivory. I just really don't have a ton of, that might be a little too light for what I'm going for. I'm gonna use the shade Classic Ivory because I think this is gonna be a little bit closer to my, yeah, whatever. Going to kind of go in my T-zone. Just a little low on concealers, honestly. I really like this concealer though. And then we're going to bring that onto our eyelids. Again, if you are wearing this out for a Pride event, I would definitely prime your eyes. But this actually isn't a super eyeshadow heavy look, so that's not totally necessary. But if you just want a little bit of extra insurance, go ahead and use a primer. Okay, and then next I'm going to set my under eyes with the Jaclyn Cosmetics, what is this even called? Brightening and Setting Palette. I will say that this was kind of underwhelming, but I don't hate it. Like, it's not return worthy. Like, I don't dislike it enough to where I want to return it. But it just kind of feels, honestly, like a drugstore powder. There's nothing, like, fantastic about it. But I do love this idea of having a bunch of different shades you can set your face with in one palette. I really like that. Y'all, I'm so sorry my outside is so loud, but it is hot as balls. I need some fresh air in here. Okay, then we're just gonna set the face with the NYX Set It and Don't Fret It. It's not even called that anymore, but it's always gonna be called that in my heart. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with bronzer. I'm gonna use the Nabla Skin bronzing in the shade Soft Revenge. I'm gonna use a kind of bigger angled brush, and I'm going to really heavily bronze my skin. Go up into the forehead, and I'm also going to take this across my eyelid and into the bridge of my nose, or across like the crease, just to give my face some shape, dimension, color, all that. And then into the crease, down the bridge of the nose. Boom. See, now it kind of already looks like we have like a transition shade in our crease. And then I think I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. I just always do bronzer before eyebrows just because I literally go like over my brows to do my bronzer. But I'm gonna go fill in my eyebrows really quick. Lately, I will show you what I've been using. I have been loving the NYX Lift and Snatch Tinted Brow Pen. So I draw little brow hairs with this, and then I fill in my brows with the Colourpop Brow Boss Gel in the shade Black. So I'm gonna go do that real quick and then we'll be back. Okay, brows are on. So let's continue with eyes. So I want this to be really light and dewy and fresh and almost minimal, but like not minimal at all. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do a little flick of pink eyeliner. This is the Profusion Electric Bold Liner. I think these were limited edition. I bought these last summer. I can't find them anywhere, but this is the only liquid liner I have that is bright because I didn't feel like going to Ulta today. But I know NYX has liquid ones. I know NYX has colored liquid liner. Colourpop does too. And I will try to find these and link them down below, but I will try, okay? So I'm just going to do a little like flick and just go about halfway across my lashes. Just like a cute little flick. Look how cute. Stop. See, look how cute. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Adorable. Also, just side note, make sure you follow me on TikTok if you don't already follow me on TikTok. TikTok is still mad at me, and literally, even though this is a new account, anytime I post anything remotely PG-13, it gets immediately taken down. So please follow me, comment on my stuff, don't spam like, because that I guess does something really bad for the algorithm. But if you want to support me on TikTok, please go follow me. Please like, share, and comment my videos on TikTok so that hopefully my weird, like, it's not a shadow ban, but like TikTok literally hates me. Today I posted a body positive video of me going to the beach in a bikini, in like a tube top bikini. My boobies weren't even out and it got taken down immediately as soon as I posted it. So TikTok has it out for me. If you want to avenge me, please go support me on TikTok. I would appreciate it. That's my one little plea I will have with y'all. And then we're gonna go in with this Colourpop After Party like gel, glitter gel, and I'm just gonna go in with my finger and we're just going to put that on our lid. See, this is what I mean, just like very soft festival realness, just cute. I really could have used any of these colors because the actual colors aren't super, like, you can't really tell that this is pink once it's on my eyes. But I am just going to dab this all over my lid, but really concentrating it towards the center and front of my lid. Look how cute. Oh my god, it's so fun. Just like glitter, fairy, realness vibes. I think I am going to add a little bit of shadow underneath. I'm just gonna take a pastel pink. I'm gonna go in with, I think, maybe the shade or that shade. This is the Revolution and Alexis Stone palette, which if you don't already have and you enjoy having rainbow colors, this is even just like a good one to have in your collection because it's cheap and you get all the rainbow colors. Besides orange, but it's kind of weird that there's no orange in here, but whatever. So I'm just going to add a little bit of pink to the outer lower lash line. Kind of drag it down because we are going to do heavy blush with this look too. Fun. Okay, and then we're going to heavily highlight the inner corner and the brow bone with the Jaclyn Cosmetics loose highlighter in Extra. So I'm just going to take this like little baby highlighting brush and I'm going to wet it with the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Setting Spray. And then we're going to hit that brow bone. And then hit the inner corner as well. Oh, it's so like ethereal. I love. Okay, then we're gonna go in with blush. And you know we're gonna go in with blush. Y'all, I'm just gonna say it. Don't ever buy kimchi blushes. I have had, this is my third one break. It's literally just been in the drawer. Cool. Don't do it. Just don't buy kimchi blushes. Love you, Kimchi. I stand so hard, but no, miss ma'am. Okay, and then I'm going to go in, this blush is just my favorite, the Colourpop Juice Bar blush. And we are going to E-Girl blush it up. I'm going to place it basically right below, like on our lower eye area. I am going to blend it down into the bronzer, so just this like whole upper portion is blushed up. I'm also gonna pop a little bit above the brows just to give our whole face a like rosy tone to it. See, I feel like if I was good at fake freckles would be a really cute moment. And then I'm gonna go across the bridge of my nose. I don't really like doing the tip of my nose. It looks more like, this looks more like sun-kissed, but when I think like the tip of the nose, it reminds me more of like when you're really cold. Whereas this looks like you've like been in the sun all day. Okay, and then for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with highlighter. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Nicole Guerrio Glow Kit. This shit is so iconic, and I'm gonna take the shade Kitty Cat and use that on my cheeks. This is like a little glittery, so I love it for this. And right above the brow too, and really just fucking glow it up. I'm gonna hit the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose. Boom. And then I'm going to set my face with the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Setting Spray. Oh, I feel so cute. I love it. Okay, I'm going to apply a little bit of a falsie, I think, and some lower lash, and some mascara on my lower lashes. And then we will be right back. Okay, lashes are on. These are so pretty and natural and wispy. These are the Kiss lashes in the style All Mine. They're so pretty. So we're going to do some gloss. Why am I so off to the center? Off center. It's so fucking hot in here. Okay, we're gonna do some gloss because this is a glossy ass look. Okay, we're using my favorite lip combo, and that is the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Soft Spoken, and then the RawBeautyKristi and Colourpop collab in the shade Glacier. So I'm just going to fill in, or what's the word? Line my lips. Jesus fuck. Shut the fuck up. I'm filming here. Okay, and then popping some gloss on. This gloss is perfect because it has almost like a blue shift. So it really matches with the glitter on the eyes. Oh God, I love this gloss. Okay, can you guys do me a favor and do the thing where you tell me your animal's name and then the 8 million different like ridiculous names that you call them? That is like my favorite thing in the world to read. So please comment your animal's name and then the ridiculous things that you call them. And then I'm gonna go do something with my hair to put this look all together, and then we'll be back to really finish it. All right, y'all, this is the finished look. I wish I could go to the club right now. I feel so cute and pretty and ethereal, and I just love this makeup. I feel like it's very different from my channel, but I think it's really fun. So like I said, I think I want to try to do like a monochromatic look for every, you know, color in the rainbow, but comment down below and let me know what color you specifically want to see next. And please make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Happy Pride, I love you.